Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2018 Honda Accord Sport 4-door for you. Just got done with my test drive. I'm going to turn this camera around. We'll check out the inside, check out the outside. And I'm telling you what, just a little preview, this is a sweet ride. So it starts here. I kept it in reverse. We do have the 6-speed manual transmission. Backup monitor pops right up. It's got 3 camera views, a wide, and then one right there so you can see where the parking block is. So nice feature there. Go ahead and shift it into neutral. It does have electronic parking brake, which is nice. AM FM radio on this touchscreen. Also, you got your phone connectivity that you can connect to here for voice-free calling, or for not voice-free, for hands-free calling. And then down here we have our heating and air conditioning controls. It's dual climate control, so you can control the passenger side and the driver's side independently, or you can sync them together. What I like about this is you can just turn it on, set your temperature, and click auto, and it just does its thing. So nice feature there. Open this up, you have a hookup for your cell phone, a USB port, and also to the left of that is a 12-volt power socket. And that's nice and deep. You can see how far my hand goes down in there. So nice spot to stow your phone. 2 beverage holders. They're the bigger ones too, so you're going to be able to fit your bigger cups in there. Nice coin tray, and then another 12-volt power socket down here. Overall interior is really clean in this Honda Accord. Does have the factory book still. I did pull up the history report on it. It scores really well. You can see it scores a 91. The highest this vehicle would score would be a 92. True one owner vehicle as well. Never been in an accident. Never had any hail or water damage either. So really clean report there. Reading 49,049 miles on the odometer. There's not a single warning light on here. There is some lights on here that'll explain what they do. So one's a brake light. I got the brake on right now, the emergency brake. ACC and LKAS. So ACC, this has got adaptive cruise control, is what that acronym stands for. LKAS is lane keeping assist system. I believe I could be off on that last S, but basically what this has is adaptive cruise control. You can set it right here, so when you're on the highway and someone slows down in front of you, this vehicle will automatically slow down. You don't have to mess with the buttons so long as you're on the adaptive cruise control mode. Lane keeping assist system, so when you're on the highway and you may be swerving from one lane to the other, this is going to keep you right in the center of the lane. Volume control here, hands-free connectivity, so you can talk through this car's speaker system on your phone. It's really slick. So to turn off the lane assist, you can turn it off right there. Power windows and power locks and power mirrors all right here, easy to get to and adjust. I'm gonna go ahead and push her off, and we will check out the X outside here. This is powered by the 1.4 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder. Really a lot of power on it. Pairs well with that 6-speed manual transmission. Really aggressive front end on this. Body wise, it looks really good. I don't see any issues on the front end here. It does have the pearl black paint on it. Really shines up well. Front windshield looks nice. I don't see any cracks or anything in it. It does have 19-inch machine alloy wheels that are painted as well. The black is painted on there. It does have wrapped in Goodyear low-profile tires, and there's a good amount of tread left on those tires. Tinted windows on here. Really looks good with the black. Seating for 5 in this vehicle, leather wrapped seats, a good amount of room here. I had that driver's seat where I needed it. I'm 6 foot tall, and I could easily fit back here and be comfortable in the back. Nice sleek look in the rear end, dual exhaust. To the passenger side, looks nice and clean. Overall, really sharp sedan. If you're looking for a four-door sedan that is known for its reliability and quality, this Honda Accord should be at top of your list. I appreciate you watching our video. I hope this review helps you in your purchasing decision. Clean car. I didn't smell any weird smells. No warning lights on. Clean inside, clean outside. Drives nice. Tires are good. Really, what more could you say? Financing is available on this. I'll post a link below where you can get approved on this particular car or any of our cars before you get in the store. It's very easy to do and secure, and it's online. And also, we'd love to have your trade-in. So if you're wanting to get rid of something you're driving now into something different, we can make it hassle-free, make you a great offer in your trade before you even get to the store. So I appreciate you watching these videos. Everyone, my name's Mike, and I'm signing out. Take care.